pass somebody. What's up, dude? I passed one person in my car. Hard to do, actually. Ah, there's a station wagon. Yeah, man.
Dude, that bus fucked me up.
Did it? I had to take him out in the corner, dude. I was like, fuck. I'm gonna pass somebody on this motherfucking ring, baby. I might pass two. What this TT guy's driving. I don't want to take him out in this curve. But I will.
He's got a whole family in there.
Shit, fucking missed second. Hell yeah, baby. Your car handles way better than mine. No joke, dude.
I wish I could drive like this.
Like what?
Like you?
Shit, I ain't even driving good. Let me get used to the track, man. He's telling me to go around him, you see it? Hell yeah, baby. Next kill. I'm behind. Shit gets your stomach, doesn't it? Oh, fuck. God damn. Wish I knew these curves better, man.
Oh shit. I'm gonna be sick watching this video.
Video game don't touch this motherfucker, does it? Oh, the bike behind me. Come on, buddy. I'm giving you to you. Holy shit, he just caught air, dude.
What?
He just caught air. When he was passing me, he was in the fucking air, dude. This guy's fucking crazy. Damn, there's another one behind me. Sorry, bud, you ain't passing me in this fucking curve. Oh shit. This motherfucker's flying. Oh, fuck. Damn. I just hopped out forward. I have no idea how fast I'm going. Oh shit. Slow down for this curve, I don't remember it. Shit, I was going faster than I thought. Oh shit. I almost made it. That chicane was coming up quick on me, buddy. I knew I should have brought the GPS for this fucking ride. I grabbed it, but I put it back. I remember this from the game. This corner here. So we always bite it. This strong left that's coming up. I was trying to drift it just then.
Handles a lot better.
Oh, fuck yeah. It handles better than my car. Way fucking better. Feel it drifted?
Yeah.